Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you always. Be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of Crochet baby winter sweater designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end, because in this video you will see stunning and unique Crochet winter baby sweater designs. I hope you will love these beautiful designs. Warm sweaters provide excellent insulations for babies. Softness Crochet fabrics is gentle on sensitive baby skin. Easy care, machine washable and dryable. Affordable designs. Crochet sweaters come in view styles for classics to modern. Colorful option choices from a wide range of color and combinations. Textures interest. Crochet stitches creates visuals appealing textures. Handmade love. Crochet sweaters are often made with love by family or friends. And unique gifts. A handmade crochet sweater is a thoughtful, one-of-kind gift family heirloom trust for generations. Breathability crochet fabric allow for airflow, reducing overheating. Natural fabric choices organize natural yarns of chemical-free clothing. Comfortable crochet sweaters promote excited, comfortable baby skin sweaters. Fiercely inspires color work. Snowflake for winter thought patterns. Hoodie sweater for added warmth. Soft air blends wool for warmth and the breathability. Organized cottons and bamboo blends of express of mohair for softness. Single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet, beginning and texture stitches. Choose the right yarn, weight and hook size. Consider baby's age and size when selecting patterns. Ensure proper fit with adjustable buttons or ties. Use safely first line of buttons and the black finish sweater for professional finish. Crochet a winter baby sweater is a thoughtful and the particles and the loving gesture. So we will share this video with your family and friends who wants these types of designs and ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. We were different people have different choices and they love different types of crochet winter designs. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite designs and apply on your baby dresses for outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your ideas. So viewer, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your prayers. See you soon. We will take care and Allah Hafiz.